Okay, we're playing the Cops and Robbers, right?
Hello, people. This is Joe Tonko, and
Skylar Kelly.
we are playing Cops and Robbers together. And so we are. Everybody's hitting each other.
People, stop hitting each other.
I know, really.
Follow Cosmic Rewind on Facebook if he has one,
Yeah.
or something like that. Do you have a Facebook, Cosmic?
What?
Okay, I'll take that. Do you have a Facebook?
Yes.
Can you say it out loud so people can know what your Facebook is?
My Facebook name is Marco Oyostegui.
Okay, follow that dude on Facebook and YouTube or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the creator of this
And
map.
You can add me on Xbox. Cosmic Rewind. Yeah.
Yep, we're on Xbox.
Okay, we're ready. Let's go in. Come on. Let's go in.
I got the machine.
Oh,
Who's the
my.
cop? I'm the prisoner. I don't want to be a cop.
I want to be prisoner.
I want to be a prisoner. Then you're going to be the cop. Yeah, I'm going to be a prisoner. Hey. But you can't talk.
Prisoners can't talk?
No, he doesn't have a mic.
Oh, cool.
That's it, I can't go
Nice
in.
setup.
Hey, I'm hungry. Police officer, I'm hungry. Police officer.
Joe, get in the toilet.
Get in the toilet, Joe. That's what he said. Get in the toilet.
Joe.
There's signs
Someone
above you.
flushed it.
Hey, I want something to eat. Can I have something to eat?
Give me some food.
Hey, I'm gonna go to shower. Can I go to shower?
Take my blood. Kill all these slimes. Superman. Kill all these slimes.
He's dead. Wait. Come on.
You
Hey.
can jump in the toilet. I can't get in the toilet.
Ah,
Kill all
little.
these slimes.
Hey, get me out of here.
Okay, I'll get in the toilet. Come out.
Dude, I'm not doing nothing to you.
I'm hungry. No. I'm hungry.
Hey, what did I do?
I'm hungry.
I didn't do anything. You cheater.
Actually, just give me a stick.
No, he's cheating. Superman doesn't even know how to play this.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh, yes.
Well, he just gave me a stick.
It didn't blow all of it up. I better get this thing. This creeper. Blow me up. Didn't work.
I want some food. How many cafeteria?
Joe got out.
Yeah.
He wins.
No.
to the cafeteria.
No, I didn't get out.
Joe's outside. He wins.
No, I didn't. Dude, I spawned outside.
I know. And you're outside. You win.
No, I didn't. I can't just be.
I want to go to the cafe.
No, stay in your cell
Not the warden.
with me. Oh, look what I did. Hey, you, let me out, man. Please let me out.
myself.
I'm not doing anything, you idiot.
He's throwing up on you.
Okay, I'm hungry.
It's so amazing. Hey, Danny.
You got the bowl?
I got it.
My blood.
And take my blood.
Take his throw up.
Yeah, take my throw up.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, take my blood. Take my blood. Take my flesh.
I'm in the toilet. Someone's busted.
Hey.
Why are you killing him? Stop on kill him. Here, I got an arrow for you.
Give me the arrow. Give me the arrow. Oh.
Here, beat me with that baton. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me with the stick. Ow, 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 ow. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Am I doing nothing?
Ah. I can't go to sleep. Warden, my bed is on the hall. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. God damn.
Oh wait, which one is blowed up?
Hey, beat him up.
Hit him with the bow. Hit him with the bow.
Let me out. Let me out.
Yeah, he is on.
I'm hungry.
Dude, I want to go to the shower. Shower, please. Shower. Hello.
Okay, be a good little boy.
Hey, I want to go to the shower.
Ow! No! No!
Hey, I want to go to the shower.
Open your door. See if he opened it.
Hey, I want to go to the shower, please.
I'm
Shower. I said shower.
I'm hungry.
Mr. Warden? Mr. Warden?
Warden, I'm hungry.
Mr. Warden?
He
I
can't get
did-
you.
The shower.
I'm gonna escape. Mr.
Well,
Warden?
don't say that. He said, I'm gonna escape.
He's an idiot.
There's a girl up here. Fine.
He's up
Use
there.
use the lever to get out.
No. Mr. Warden? We can talk about this.
Mr. Warden.
Oh!
Oh, I have to take a shower.
My house still after me.
I'm a good little boy.
Can I play?
It's open, you idiot. I've been hearing all these
Ow.
crazy sounds.
Slime.
Give me
Oh.
a stick.
that is all for this time, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe, and we will see you next time. And we're going to do a part 2, so we will see you next time. Bye.